In a world where ancient mysticism meets modern marvels, two mighty superheroes with unimaginable powers find themselves locked in an epic battle high above the iconic Egyptian pyramids. The vast expanse of the Egyptian sky serves as the battleground for these titans, as they unleash their extraordinary abilities in a dazzling display of strength and prowess. As the sun sets behind the ancient structures, casting a warm glow over the desert landscape, our two superheroes emerge from opposite ends of the horizon. One is a guardian of the ancient secrets, adorned with mystical symbols that glow with ethereal energy. The other, a technological marvel with a sleek, futuristic suit that crackles with energy. The tension in the air is palpable as these superheroes clash with unparalleled force. Bolts of mystical energy and beams of advanced technology illuminate the night sky, creating a breathtaking spectacle against the backdrop of the majestic pyramids. The clash of their powers shakes the very foundation of the ancient structures, unleashing a visual feast of lights and colors. As the battle unfolds, the superheroes showcase their unique abilities, one harnessing the power of ancient magic, manipulating the elements, and summoning ancient guardians, while the other deploys advanced weaponry, high-tech gadgets, and a suit that grants unmatched speed and strength. The fate of Egypt hangs in the balance as these two forces of nature collide in a battle that transcends time and technology. Who will emerge victorious and claim dominion over the Egyptian sky and its mystical secrets? Only time will tell as the clash of titans unfolds in this awe-inspiring showdown amidst the pyramid's grandeur.